So we're at the packing house already.
Located in Orange County, California, in the city of Anaheim, the Anaheim Packing House was built in 1919. Served as a sun-kissed citrus packing house where local citrus farmers would bring their produce to be sorted and shipped by train to Los Angeles. The Anaheim Packing House now houses many restaurants and commercial vendors and is a lively addition to the Anaheim area, hosting events like live music, monthly markets, and community classes. This building retained much of its original architecture, including the white painted wood exterior, high ceilings, exposed beams, and large windows, and it's one of the few remaining citrus packing warehouses in Orange County, and was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 2015.
You could also sit right here if you wanted to. Alright, we're gonna cross the street. So this is all in Anaheim.
Quiero una foto de mi logo de los salones.
So it says there's like another little bar right there in that little thing. But there's more bars over there. There's some more over there where we just came from. But yes, city of Anaheim.
If by any chance you found this video interesting or entertaining, please support me by kindly subscribing to my channel. Thanks.